Dated 9th September 2025. To the Honorable Chief Justice of Pakistan, Supreme Court of Pakistan, Islamabad, and the Honorable Chief Justice, Lahore High Court, Lahore. Subject: grave miscarriage of justice and malified political victimization through abuse of anti-terrorism proceedings. Respected my lords, with utmost humility, we, the undersigned political prisoners, respectfully seek your lordship's urgent attention to the unprecedented miscarriage of justice inflicted upon us through proceedings before the two anti-terrorism courts at Lahore, which have been tainted by malified political considerations rather than by lawful cause. 1. Miscarriage of justice in ATC proceedings. From the very outset, our arrests, prosecutions, and convictions have been orchestrated not by legal merit, but by politically motivated manipulation. Our fundamental rights have been trampled upon through multiple serious violations. Violation of the Anti-Terrorism Act, ATA. Section 16 and 19 of the ATA, which mandate the right to fair trial and due process, were disregarded entirely. 2. Disregard of law and principles of justice, established legal benchmarks regarding evidentiary burden, standards of proof, and terrorism-related jurisprudence were ignored. 3. Discredited witnesses held credible. Numerous prosecution witnesses were thoroughly discredited through cross-examination, revealing contradictions and lack of corroboration, yet their evidence was treated as conclusive. 4. Absence of material evidence. There exists no corroborating evidence, CCTV, geofencing, safe city footage, and digital records or otherwise to substantiate the charges laid against us. 5. Defective investigation and selective prosecution. Despite being imprisoned for 28 months, the prosecution has yet to prove allegations against Mr. Imran Ahmad Khan Niazi, who is allegedly the principal conspirator. Yet, we have been convicted on the basis of acting on his instructions. Those who have done press conferences to quit Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf have been given clean chits, pre-arrest and post-arrest bails granted, and the challans not submitted so far. Prosecution has selectively submitted challans of few out of 34 persons held guilty by Joint Investigation Team in September of 2023. 6. Conspiracy without principal offense. Convicting us for conspiracy in the absence of any proof of the principal offense is a grave contradiction and outright affront to the principles of criminal jurisprudence. 2. 2-month time-bound direction. It is respectfully submitted that while your lordship, the Honorable Chief Justice of Pakistan, has already issued directions for the expeditious conclusion of ATC trials within 4 months, the same principle must now be extended to appellate proceedings. Having languished behind bars for over 28 months on fabricated charges, we urgently request that the Lahore High Court be directed to conclude all pending appeals and suspension applications of political prisoners within 2 months. Delay in adjunctory remedies in itself punitive, violating the maxim justice delayed is justice denied. 3. Humble appeals to your lordships. In light of the above, we most humbly beseech your lordships to take suo modo notice of this egregious miscarriage of justice. Direct the Lahore High Court to expedite and decide all pending appeals and suspension applications of political prisoners within a maximum period of 2 months. Set aside all unlawful and politically biased convictions handed down by ATC. Mandate independent judicial review of all politically motivated anti-terrorism cases to safeguard against such misuse of state power and ensure equal application of the law. We place our absolute faith in the superior judiciary as the final bulwark of constitutional rights, confident that your lordships will not permit continued desecration of justice or denial of the rule of law. With the highest respect, humbly submitted, political prisoners incarcerated at Kot Lakhpat Jail, Lahore, Dr. Yasmin Rashid, Mia Mahmood Rashid, Ijaz Chaudhry, Umar Sarfaraz Chema.